I start by melting the butter. I'm using the double boiler method to melt the butter. You can also melt the butter in the oven. Once it is melted, I take it out of the pot and I allow to cool down. Once it has cooled down, I pour the milk into the butter and I apply some elbow grease. I'm going to mix until it is properly combined. If you notice that the butter and milk separates, you can heat up the mixture in the pot or in the oven and whisk again. And you have your heavy cream. It's as simple as it is. Remember to subscribe if you like this video. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.